Should old acquaintance be forgot?
Hello everyone, welcome here. My name is Sydney. If you are new to my channel, I love to do all kinds of decorating videos here on my channel for every season, every holiday. So if all things decorating interest you, please hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any videos from me. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I took my Christmassy bright red hot cocoa bar and turned it into a winter themed coffee bar. Now if you would like to see how I came up with this, then please keep watching. Okay, to start with, I wanted to show you what I'm using. So I made this sign, "Baby, it's cold outside." I really wanted this saying, and I couldn't find a cheap sign, and I knew I wasn't going to keep it up for long. So I decided to make my own sign. And this is kind of like a Cricut, but in a cheap way. I really need to invest in a Cricut, but what I did was just print out these letters in large font. I found the font off of photojet.com. I cut it out, and then I used Mod Podge on the back and just stuck it on. It's actually my Merry Christmas sign that I use for my coffee bar. I just turned it around, painted this gray white color, and then I added these black letters. So that was a really inexpensive way to make a cute sign. I did the same thing here. I took this hot chocolate bar sign and then turned it around, painted the inside the same color, used the same font, and put warm up here. And then I just added these snowflake stickers. I had those for projects with my kids, so I thought that would be cute. And then also I made these signs. So I just downloaded, this was like a free printable off of Google Images, and I just cut it to size and I just stuck it inside. I didn't glue it or anything. These were my Marry and Believe signs, and I want to be able to still use them next year, so I didn't glue the signs down. So this is super inexpensive. This one says "Hello Cold Day," but I still think it looks cute for just being paper placed in there. And I just set these little bottle brush trees inside. I'm gonna be using a bunch of bottle brush trees. These are from Hobby Lobby, and then a couple of these are from Dollar Tree. And then also these little wood houses are from the Target Dollar Spot. Now over here, I'm gonna use this galvanized bucket that says Farmhouse Christmas. I'm just gonna turn it around and use that side. And then I have a little miniature one, so I'm gonna put these on my tier tray. I also made this little Hello Winter sign out of another Christmas sign. And I thought it'd be cute to put "Hello Winter Season." So I'm gonna use this little Ray Dunn bowl. And then I'm using this little tree from Target. Okay, over here, I just picked up this coffee sign and this cute little towel from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm gonna use these Hobby Lobby wood beads to add some warmth. And then I found this really pretty snowflake garland from Marshall's the day after Christmas. And they were on clearance, so I thought that would be perfect to drape over my coffee bar shelf. And then they also look really nice with these glass winter mugs. I found these winter mugs at a ReStore. My husband and I love to go to ReStores around us, like on Saturdays, usually Saturday mornings. It's just fun to get up early, go to those, and just get out of the house. So I actually found those for like 25 cents each at a ReStore, and I just thought that would look really pretty with these. All right, so that is everything I'm gonna use. So let's go ahead and get to decorating.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet.
Okay, so that wraps up my winter themed coffee bar. I hope that you guys found some inspiration, got some ideas from today's video. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to inspire and give you guys some simple and cheap ideas. I didn't spend hardly any money on this. I wanted a cute display, but I also didn't want to throw a lot of money into it because I am planning on putting my Valentine's Day themed display up within a couple of weeks. So definitely stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.
And never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old